Hello time travelers! Today I'm showing you how I'm fixing my computer case. Well, the side panel anyway, because the clear plastic, it's held on with this bezel that's all busted.
This is my look of disapproval.
Hey, what's up with that? What are you doing? Hey, other me. I'm just fixing my computer case. I built it in 2015 in the Corsair Vengeance C70. It's an awesome computer case, but all the plastic and rubber bits inside are wearing out. But I have upgraded it since then a few times, obviously. So that's cool. So what's up with the green thingy? This is called a rocket socket. It's from a set that I bought at lovemyswitches.com for working on guitar pedals. But this is a computer, not a guitar pedal. Yeah, I know, but I don't want to dig through my toolbox, which is in my trunk, in my car, in the garage, and it's freaking cold outside, so screw that. Fair enough, but why are the screw heads black and the threads regular silver looking? Oh, that's because I wanted them to match the computer case. I cleaned them up by putting some naphtha in a jar and tossed them in. And then I laid them all out on a brick and put another brick on top of that to hold them down. And I painted them. It worked like a charm bracelet. What? Wait. Where did you get the right screws though? I mean, bolts. I got them at the hardware store. Right after work, I took the bus and went there. And I got there like 10 minutes before they closed. And I got exactly what I needed. Okay, I see, but couldn't you just get them on Amazon or something? Isn't it a huge hassle to do all that walking and busing to get there right before they close just for one freaking thing? Well, I had the rubber things that came with this mod side panel, and that rubber's still good. I mean, check it out. See? That's cool. I got the right size by checking a bunch of different bolts until I figured it out. And I also looked at spray paints to see if I can get any ideas for future guitar pedals that I'm going to build. And I also got replacement screws for the guitar pedal I built, the one from StewMac called the Two Kings, because I lost the screws for that. What? How could you lose the bolts for the pedal that you built yourself? You must be the most absent-minded person ever. It's a good thing you found replacements because who knows what could have happened. Maybe the universe could have imploded because reasons for some reason. Yeah, well, I emailed StewMac and they were like, "Oh, we're so sorry. We made that mistake. We'll send you some more." And I was like, "What?" And they sent me another set of screws and I freaking lost those too. You lost them again? How could you lose them twice? Do you have a black hole in your house or something that swallows random objects or something? Typical sci-fi shenanigans. Well, I hope you got enough screws because obviously you'll be taking pedals apart in the future and you're gonna probably need them. Yeah, well, I bought a whole freaking box, so maybe I'll be using them for the next 10 to 20 or maybe 100 years or so. Yeah, you're always keeping stuff like that for forever. Remember when you fixed your car with nuts and bolts that you bought way back in the 90s? Actually, that was the 70s. I had to time travel to get those bolts. And that was on accident. Oh, yeah. But that's a whole other story. Ah, Jinx! You always beat me to that.
This is future me here, just to tell you how it turned out, because other me and regular me go on and on and on, and goofy stuff happens. This case originally comes with like fan mounts here, and it looks totally ugly, so this is a mod window, and the window actually goes on the inside, and the bezel goes on the outside, and these rubber things... Focus on what I'm looking at! These rubber things go on the inside as well. And the only way to have this plexiglass go on the inside like it's supposed to is if I point the bolts outward, which would look stupid. So this is how it's gonna look now. And I give it a 2 thumbs up, but the other one's holding the phone.
And now it's time for this week's tech thing. Let me guess. It's a computer thing. Yes and no. Actually, it's about the 4 terabyte hard drive that I recently bought. Remember, I talked about having troubles with it in that video that I did with Rainbow Princess and Emo Me? Oh yeah, that video that you had ChatGPT help you write the script for. Yeah, that's the one. You can click the card up here to watch that video after you're done watching this one. Ah, the shameless plug. I like it. But do you finally get it working? You bet I did. Well, how did you fix it? Or so I thought. You won't believe it, but it was the stupid braided SATA cables that I bought. It's always the simple things that trip us up. Right. But then it stopped working again. Wait, what? It stopped working a little while later. So since then, I've moved the SATA cable to a different SATA port on the motherboard, and it's been working for a few days now. I do recommend the hard drive because of its features and its low failure rate that have been advertised, and it has a 5-year warranty. So if anybody's interested in checking it out, they can click the link in the descriptor what's it's below. Oh good, that scared me, because I thought your editing rig wigged out and you wouldn't be able to make any more videos. And now, enjoy this random thing. Oh, I love this part. What's the random thing this week? This random thing is a Zitz comic that my dad sent me a while back. I haven't read that one in a while. Here. So the mom says, Jeremy's phone is acting up today. And dad says, did he call the operator? And the son says, guys, there are no operators. There are only programmers and computers. And the mom says, then who turns the computers on in the morning? The dad says, gotta be the operators. Gah! Jinx. Ah! I even gave you time for that one. But don't they have servers that are on 24/7? Yes, other me. So people can make and receive phone calls at night. Obviously. Is it dad joke time yet? Yep. Here it is. ChatGPT gave me this one. Hey, did you hear about the computer that sang to itself? No, I haven't. It had a Dell. Don't you mean a bell? Jinx. That's the 3rd time that I've jinxed you in this video. It's from an old song called The Farmer in the Dell. What? The farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. No! It's awkward end screen time! Yes. People should like the video. And subscribe. And bell! The bell! People should click the bell to change the notification settings. Jinx! So you get notified when future videos come out. We have the same brain. It's so easy. Okay, time travelers. The farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi ho the Mario, the farmer in the dell. Click here to see the video that ChatGPT wrote. The wife. Hi ho the and click over here to subscribe to the channel. Stop singing! You owe me a soda. The wife takes a child. The wife takes a child. Hi ho Dario, the wife takes a child. The child takes a nurse. Stop singing!